You mentioned your introduction into the trade came by way of just door knocking and promoting air conditioning. Tried being a door-to-door salesman for rain gutters one time, and I starved to death. Nobody in Arizona thinks they need gutters. And boy, when I learned what expansive soils are, I became a huge gutter advocate in the fact that every house needs gutters in Arizona.
Yes, and that's the thing. People don't realize that because you don't want water backing to your house. That's going to start to mess with the foundation of the house. So I want to get the water away from the house. I want to divert the water away so I can keep that integrity of the house. And then also too, when you have those gutters, people are like, oh, I got gutters, but if you're not cleaning out your gutters, they're not going to be doing its job. It's like a dam. If it gets blocked, then it's not going to be doing what it needs to. So I definitely recommend gutters. I know in Arizona, we don't get a ton of rain, but when we're in the monsoon season and we do get those rains, I feel like when we get a rain, it's like a 4-year rain that we're supposed to get in that 1-year timepiece. So I tell people, make sure you're protecting your home, install gutters, divert the water away from there, and take care of your house.
Well, and because of the lack of rain, it creates more water problems because of the inconsistency. That soil is super dry. Then it gets hit with a shot of monsoon rain, and then it absorbs it all. Whereas if it was regular, the moisture or the soil would be consistent instead of shrinking and expanding and shrinking and expanding.
Yep, expanding contract, yep.
And same with the roof. All that dryness up there I was trying to think last night, the last time it rained, and I couldn't even remember. And when that rain does come, all those roofs that haven't seen rain in a long time, they go from very hot, and then they get cooled off with a sudden shot of water. The underlayment, that's what can make it crack really quick. And so because of the lack of moisture, it makes it even more critical to be preventative of moisture issues.
And I feel like because it doesn't rain as much, people they want to take care of their roof, but then it doesn't rain again. So like, oh, everything's fine. But then once it rains again, then they want to take care of it again. So it's like, it's just something that you have to stay on top of. The roof protects everything on the inside. It's literally every place I go to has a roof.
Amen.